Hey guys, today I will show you how to create a Git server very easily. Now if you have done your research, you may have come across various methods where you need to have create Apache servers or log into Ubuntu and create various servers using various applications, but actually creating Git server is very much simple than this. All you need to have is a Windows machine and Git installed on your machine. If you have not installed, then you can just go to gitscm.com and download Git. Links in description. Now head on to your file explorer and open a empty folder. Now create a folder named Git server. Now go into this server and open a Windows terminal here. You can use command prompt or PowerShell, it really doesn't matter. Now type in this command git init, the name of your repo. I will just give it repo and add --bear and click enter. You will see that it initialized an empty Git repository at this path. Now you can close this and go up a level directory. The Git server we had just created, right click it, go to properties, sharing, share, click here and select everyone and add. Change the permission level to read and write and click share. Now you will see this that the folder is shared and the location selected is this. You can just double click it to open it and from the address bar copy this address. You can close this folder and this too. Now I will create a new folder to test this. Let's name it say test and go into this folder, open Windows terminal command prompt of PowerShell and clone the Git. To clone it, we have to use git clone. Now paste the path that we had just copied from the address bar and put in the name of your repo. My repo name was simply repo and click enter. This will clone into the repo. Now currently the Git is empty. You can just close this. Now the Git is cloned here. Now what you need to do is open in any Git client or Git bash, whatever you feel or whatever are you comfortable with. I use Git Kraken, like I really like it. So open this in Git Kraken or any Git client and it will ask you to initialize it. In your Git client, you may have to initialize it manually or whatever. I will just initialize this and there your Git is ready. Now let's create some files here. Let's just create a text document and you can see here the changes are there. Let me just state the changes and commit the changes. Now to check if the Git server is working, just push it. Now you can see here what remote branch should master push and pull from. So basically this is accessing the Git server that we had actually created. You can just click on submit and there it is. Our changes are pushed on the Git server. So like a Git server is basically running. Now if you are inside a domain network, then you can simply ask anyone to log into this path and clone the Git server and simply push it. It's that easy. Here you don't need to create any Git servers, don't need Apache, NGIX or anything extra required, not even Ubuntu. Now this method does work in only Windows, but if it works in Ubuntu or not, just tell me in the comments. If you like this video, then please share this video, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Tell me in the comments, was it successful for you to create this Git server or did you face any difficulties? I'm there to help you. Thank you.